All right. Andrew here, and I am in Blue Horizons. I've come over here today because there's only a few of these Stella floor plans that Pulte Homes has got available that are, until they've closed out this community. The Stella floor plan is their most popular, most desirable floor plan, and this particular home will be done in about 3 weeks. So the Stella floor plan, and what I really like about this one is it's on a corner lot. So the Stella floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a 2-car garage. And I'm going to run through here really quick. It's 2,172 square feet. And it does have an option for some flexible rooms. I'm not sure which one this one has, so we'll see together. I really like the corner lot. So we've got a large bedroom in front here with a walk-in closet, and then a second one right next to it. I'm gonna be careful because they're just finishing up here. And I'm going through a construction zone here. So we've got 3 bedrooms up front. I don't think they've got power on here. They must not. Inside laundry. And so they're still putting in countertops, but we can take a look. Got the gray cabinetry. Will include refrigerator, whirlpool, appliances. It's got the extended length cabinetry, 6-panel doors, lots of windows. What's up, Cuzzo? And let's see here. Wow, beautiful stone shower, tile shower surround. It's gonna have a shower head that comes out of the ceiling there. Really nice. His and hers sinks. Pretty large walk-in closet. So these homes, there's 2 of them left. This one will be done first. And it's gonna have a price tag in the $328,990. So there's a $10,951 discount because it's a spec home. They want to sell these homes. Plus they're offering 3% in closing costs if you use their preferred lender. So 3% of 330 is 10 grand. That pays more than your closing costs. Really popular floor plan. Open, single story. Gas appliances, soft water loop. We're in Blue Horizons. Blue Horizons, guys. HOA here is $81 a month. We're just south of the 10. Pulte Homes is one of the more popular production builders. They make a good quality home. I'm Andrew Texador checking out, okay? If you are interested in this or any other new home in Goodyear, Buckeye, anywhere in the West Valley, I'd love to help you buy or sell. But these new home builders are going through with the slowdown, right? There's people that are, not as many people are canceling, but there are people that have canceled, right? There's people that have lost their jobs. And so it's a good opportunity if you were in the market and put that on hold to get back in the market now. While there is a little bit of a slowdown, interest rates are still terrific. And some of these new homes are coming to completion, and the new home builders don't want to own these homes. They want to sell them. And so we're able to negotiate sometimes even better terms than what they're offering because they want to move them. Andrew Texador with HomeSmart. Make the smart move.